Guys, Songka restaurant. Wow, it's nice. Very, very nice. Fish fries. Oh, lang, pasulang isda dong. Oh. Family. Oh, pwede lang kabuton. Ay, mamaak daw. Pwede kapon. Mamaak na? Ha? Ah, dili oy, mahadlok tayo. Piranha pa lang na. Guys, oh. Nice, guys. Good evening, good evening. This could be. Oh, guys. See, guys. Uy, ano ko ba? Ami Gabiula. Kadapuan ako, ha? Subscribe ko sa akong YouTube channel. Hi, guys. Subscribe. Ami Phil Gabiula. My YouTube channel. Subscribe, ha? Songka restaurant. Doon ko sa'yo nagalan dito, dong? Songka Native Restaurant. Hello here. I'm here in Songka Native Restaurant. Mactan, Lapu-Lapu. Welcome to my vlog. Oh,
Nice, yes.
Oh. Okay. Very nice, very nice. This is the first time. Okay, good afternoon. Mactan, Lapu-Lapu, Cebu, Songka Native Restaurant. My family. Nag-raining. Have you ever seen the rain? Have you ever seen the rain? Wow! Guys, very nice. Oh, plenty of fish, guys. Oh. Ilan gabi? My family, guys. My friend. Sayang, blessing may blessing. Lucel, blessing na si mong birthday. Panjang umur kung sa Malaysia pa. Panjang umur. Hola. Hey. Guys. Nag-rain nun, guys. Kung gusto niya pumunta dito sa Cebu, punta kayo dito sa Songka Native Restaurant. Nice place, guys.